AIROX 145 PSI cordless dual compressor. Wireless power, lightweight design. You can climb, you can lift, and you can move forward with unstoppable power. Nothing holding you back. Become completely wireless with single or double. However you work, AIROX works with you. Now, don't let the compact size fool you. AIROX delivers up to 145 pounds per square inch in just 20 seconds. Small size, serious power. And yes, of course, it's perfect for your vehicle too. So you're probably wondering, how? AIROX is built with two hearts, two 35-liter twin-core compression systems, feeding a single tank, eliminating bottlenecks, and delivering 2 times faster recovery to 145 pounds per square inch. 3 intelligent modes in AIROX keep you in full control. From eco mode to high pressure mode, with digital precision and consistency at the core. Wherever you are, whenever you need it, AIROX always delivers. So go ahead, enjoy the versatility. Because honestly, can you name another mini air compressor that reaches 145 PSI, runs wirelessly, features a dual compressor with a tank, and still delivers an efficient, continuous workflow like AIROX? This real workhorse is ready for any environment. Right here, in your hands.
Whether you are rapid firing 200 nails per minute on an unpowered job site, spraying flawless gradients with a precision airbrush, or blowing out car mats during a detail, this hybrid machine delivers consistent power with 0 pressure drops.
This is AIROX. Cut the cord, keep the power.